Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best oscilloscope for beginners, selected for their simple controls, reliable performance, and clear signal analysis to help you learn faster. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. ZEEWEII DSO 3D12 Oscilloscope. The ZEEWEII DSO 3D12 is an impressive all-in-one diagnostic tool that combines the oscilloscope, digital multimeter, and signal generator into a compact handheld device. This multifunctional design makes it particularly attractive for electronics hobbyists, field technicians, and DIY enthusiasts who need multiple testing instruments without carrying a bag full of equipment. One of the standout features is its 120 MHz bandwidth, which provides enough performance for analyzing a wide variety of electronic circuits, communication signals, and embedded system applications. The 3.2-inch color display offers clear waveform visualization, making it easier to identify signal abnormalities and perform troubleshooting tasks accurately. The built-in dual-channel oscilloscope capability allows users to compare two signals simultaneously, which is valuable when diagnosing timing issues or evaluating circuit performance. The integrated multimeter adds convenience by supporting measurements such as voltage, resistance, and current without requiring a separate device. Another advantage is the built-in signal generator, which can produce test signals for circuit verification and educational experiments.
Number 2. FNIRSI 2D15P Oscilloscope. The FNIRSI 2D15P is a feature-rich portable oscilloscope designed to offer professional-level measurement capabilities at a budget-friendly price. Equipped with a 100 MHz analog bandwidth and a 500 MSA/s sampling rate, it delivers detailed waveform analysis suitable for electronics repair, circuit design, automotive diagnostics, and educational applications. One of its strongest selling points is the built-in 10 MHz signal generator, which enables users to create test signals without needing additional equipment. This feature is especially useful when verifying amplifier circuits, troubleshooting communication systems, or testing signal responses in electronic projects. The dual-channel architecture allows simultaneous observation of two signals, helping users compare timing relationships and voltage characteristics efficiently. The oscilloscope also includes a broad range of measurement functions, supporting up to 13 automatic parameter calculations that simplify waveform analysis. Number 3. ZOYI ZT703S Oscilloscope. The ZOYI ZT703S is a practical and versatile handheld testing instrument that combines 3 essential tools into a single portable unit: an oscilloscope, a digital multimeter, and a signal generator. This integrated approach makes it an appealing option for automotive technicians, electronics hobbyists, and maintenance professionals who need comprehensive diagnostic capabilities in a compact package. Featuring a 50 MHz bandwidth, the oscilloscope section is capable of handling a wide variety of everyday signal analysis tasks, including power supply troubleshooting, sensor testing, and embedded electronics diagnostics. The dual-channel capability allows users to monitor and compare two signals simultaneously, improving efficiency when investigating timing issues or evaluating circuit interactions. One of the product's strengths is its focus on automotive diagnostics, where portability and multifunctionality are highly valuable. Technicians can quickly switch between waveform analysis and standard multimeter measurements without changing devices, saving time during troubleshooting sessions.
Number 4. DM40C 60 MHz Oscilloscope. The DM40C 60 MHz portable digital multimeter oscilloscope stands out as a comprehensive testing solution designed for users who value portability and multifunctionality. Combining a digital oscilloscope, multimeter, signal generator, and additional measurement capabilities into a single handheld device, it offers impressive versatility for electronics troubleshooting, maintenance work, and educational applications. With a frequency range extending up to 60 MHz, the oscilloscope section is suitable for analyzing a broad range of analog and digital signals commonly encountered in repair and development projects. The package includes a rich collection of accessories, such as high-quality multimeter probes, oscilloscope probe cables, crocodile clip leads, and a thermocouple temperature probe, providing users with everything they needed to begin testing immediately. The inclusion of temperature measurement functionality expands its usefulness beyond traditional electrical diagnostics, making it valuable for HVAC work, industrial maintenance, and equipment monitoring.
Number 5. FNIRSI DSO TC4 Oscilloscope.
The FNRSI DSO-TC4 is a compact and highly versatile electronic testing device that has gained popularity among hobbyists, repair technicians, and DIY electronics enthusiasts. Designed as a multifunctional instrument, it combines oscilloscope capabilities with component testing features in a portable, handheld format. One of the key strengths of the DSO-TC4 is its ability to simplify everyday diagnostic tasks by integrating multiple testing functions into a single device. Users can analyze waveforms, identify electronic components, and perform various measurements without switching between several separate instruments. The built-in rechargeable battery enhances portability, making the unit ideal for fieldwork, educational environments, and benchtop troubleshooting. FNRSI has focused on ease of use, and the interface is generally beginner-friendly, while still offering enough functionality for more experienced users. The compact design allows the device to fit comfortably in a toolbox or workbench drawer, making it a convenient companion for quick testing jobs. Build quality is respectable for its price category, and the device feels sturdy enough for routine use. And that wraps up the top 5 best oscilloscope for beginners. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.